Everyone thinks the best-selling mat cleaners are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Ultra Legend Heavy Duty Boot Mat. First up is the Ultra Legend Extra Large Heavy Duty Boot Natural Rubber Shoe Mat. Priced at $36.99, this mat caught my attention because of its size and heavy-duty construction. If you want a reliable mat that can handle heavy use and keep your entrance clean, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this mat could solve your problem. At 47.6 inches long and 16.1 inches wide, it's designed to catch all that dirt, mud, and snow that gets trapped inside. The raised edges are about 1 inch high, which helps prevent overflow, so you won't have to worry about messes spilling onto your floor. Plus, the included horsehair boot brush is a nice touch, making it easier to keep your footwear clean before stepping inside. The natural rubber material is thicker and more durable than recycled options, which means it's less likely to tear or wear down over time. However, some customers have mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to lift and clean. Now, some people complained about how cumbersome it can be to move around. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability, a little extra weight means it's built to last. It may not be for you if you want something super lightweight. This is perfect for you if you have a busy household or live in a muddy area. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable and light. For what you get, the price isn't too bad considering it's made to withstand heavy traffic. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more lightweight design.
Product number 2, Shakos Washable Runner Rug. Next up, we have the Shakos Washable Runner Rug, priced at $21.99. The light gray color and dirt-trapping features caught my eye. If you want a stylish but functional option, this is definitely worth checking out. This rug is not just about looks. It's designed to capture dirt, mud, and moisture thanks to its dense polypropylene loops. This means your floors stay clean and protected, whether it's from muddy shoes or wet boots. The non-slip rubber backing adds an extra layer of safety, which is crucial for families. It's also waterproof, so you won't have to worry about any spills damaging your floors underneath. Plus, if cleaning is a concern, this rug is super easy to maintain. Just vacuum, hose it off, or toss it in the washing machine. One downside to note is that the rug can arrive with creases from being shipped folded. Some users found this frustrating, but honestly, that's a minor issue. You can easily remove creases with a low-heat iron or by tumble drying them. It's not a deal breaker, especially considering the overall quality. This is perfect for you if you need a mat that combines style with functionality. Skip this one if you want something that doesn't require any maintenance. For under $22, it offers great value for a stylish rug. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for automotive solutions.
Product number 3, Dickies DuraSport Deep Tray Mats. Now we have the Dickies 2-piece DuraSport Deep Tray Floor Mats, priced at $29.99. I was intrigued by their deep tray design, especially for those who drive in all kinds of weather. If you're looking for something to protect your car's floor, this is definitely worth a look. These mats are designed with high walls that can trap dirt, mud, and even melted snow, which means you won't be left with a mess in your car. The reinforced heel pad helps to extend the life of the mats by handling high traffic areas, making them perfect for families on the go. They're also trimmed to fit, so you can customize them to match your vehicle's shape. The anti-slip backing is a great feature that ensures the mats stay in place, adding an element of safety while driving. However, some users expressed concerns about the fit not being perfect for all vehicles, even though they're designed to be universal. Here's the thing. If you have a unique car model, you might need some extra adjustments, but for most standard vehicles, they work pretty well. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets that often muddy up the car. Skip this one if you drive a rare car model that might not accommodate universal mats. Considering their durability, I think they're a solid investment for the price. Next, we're moving to something that's not just for cars, but can be used in high-traffic areas of your home.
Product number 4, Freshmint Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats. Next up are the Freshmint Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats, priced at $24.99. What caught my attention was the chic medallion design and the comfort features.
If you want something that looks good and feels good underfoot, this is definitely worth considering. These mats feature a cushion design that helps alleviate fatigue from standing for long periods, making it perfect for your kitchen or laundry room. The waterproof material means spills won't ruin them, and cleaning is as easy as a quick wipe down. Plus, the non-slip backing adds safety, which is a must-have for homes with kids and pets. The package includes 2 mats of different sizes, giving you flexibility in placement. However, a few reviews mention that the color options are somewhat limited. Here's the thing though, if you like the medallion design, it tends to fit in with various decor styles, which makes that less of an issue. So while color variety is limited, the aesthetics can make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish mat that provides comfort during long kitchen sessions. Skip this one if you prefer more vibrant color options. For the comfort and style, I think it's a pretty good deal. And if you're looking for another kitchen mat option, this next one has a similar design, but a different color.
Product number 5, Fresh Mint Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats, Misty Gray, priced at $23.99. Like the previous one, it features that chic design that can really enhance your kitchen decor. If you want comfort and a subtle color, this is worth your attention. Just like its light blue counterpart, this mat offers anti-fatigue support, which is fantastic for those long cooking sessions. The easy-to-clean, waterproof material ensures that a little spill won't ruin your day, and the non-slip backing keeps it securely in place. The size options also allow you to effectively cover different areas, whether it's in front of the sink or stove. However, similar to the other model, some buyers wished there were more color options. Honestly, while personal preference varies, the elegant design can still fit nicely in many kitchen styles, making it versatile even with fewer colors. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable mat that fits with a more neutral color palette. Skip this one if you're after something bold and bright. Given the quality and price, it's a solid choice for a kitchen mat.
In summary, we looked at 5 great options for making your rubber mats look brand new. The Ultra Legend Boot Mat offers durability, while the Shakos Runner Rug is stylish and functional. The Dickies Deep Tray Mats provide excellent car protection, and the Fresh Mint mats combine comfort with aesthetics. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but any of these could help you keep your spaces looking fresh and clean.